You have probably heard most super affiliates say that the money is on the list, and hearing this, you probably went and found some low-grade PLR product and started building it. And you may have succeeded to get few thousands of signups, but not making any sales. At this point, you probably believe making money online is a big lie and you have given up or about to give up. Well, let me tell you what you're doing wrong and what these gurus have not told you. I would like you to listen to me just before starting clicking on any links, as this message may change your online income for good. The reality is you lost the credibility of your list and they probably don't trust you to the extent where they're willing to buy from you. Imagine you signing up to receive a product from someone and once you open it, you realize it did not provide any value or it was some low budget PLR product not delivering what the opt-in page really promised and then just trying to get you to purchase more products day after day. None of these emails are providing value and you eventually stop reading it, block the email address, or even unsubscribe because you are fed up with being targeted with marketing emails rather than receiving actual value. I am sure you can relate to this, and when you receive these emails, you have already programmed your mind not to open it. Well, if you're going to treat your list this way, then you should not expect promoting products and getting commissions from it. But would you like the opportunity to change this? Making money online can be extremely rewarding if you treat your list well. My business partner and I have decided to share our list building tactics. We have taken a lot of time to develop a course which teaches new entrants into making money online niche how to do affiliate marketing. This course is in depth and we give it away in exchange of individuals' details to build a list. The course has helped many and getting great feedback and building credibility and trust with our list. So we decided that we want to help more marketers out there in the affiliate marketing field to build trust with their list by giving away this course and simultaneously build credibility and trust with the list. So we're giving you the license right to give away our affiliate marketing for newbies course to build your list. And this is not some low budget PLR product. It is a high quality step-by-step video course. We also give you in-depth training on how to do this the right way. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain if you are looking for a way to build a list and kick off your make money online journey. Here is the solution for you. Click on the link below to get an access to the license rights and training to help you build your list that will trust you. All the best, and I will see you inside of the free training.